this is the third part of page number 26. Ba is light for fatha open your jaws. Ra is heavy because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. And to make any letter heavy, you will lift your uh, root of your tongue up towards your palate. Ra, and make sure you don't circle your lips. And heavy raw sounds like a raw material. Yes, ba raw tin, or you are pronouncing tanween, so make sure you apply sifa of tawassut. Ba raw tin. And when you stop at the at circle ta, you change into ha. Ba raw. You will remove these ta, you remove it, and you will give sukoon. Barara, and this ha will get sifa of rakhaba. Sound should flow. So for dhamma, circle your lips. Swad is heavy, so we'll write capital H because this is the abbreviation for heavy letters. So hu, for dhamma, circle your lips. And ha should be from your throat. Fan, give the wasl because you're pronouncing tanween. Suhu, fan. How will you stop at those two fatha? You will simply remove one fatha, and that will be 2 counts long now. And this is called mad iwad. Suhufa. Ka is short and light. The, for kasra, give e sound. Ka, the, ban. Give the wasut because you are pronouncing tanween. Because you know that the one fatha is fatha and the second fatha is actually noon sakin, but it is written in this second fatha form. So make sure you give the wasut on this noon sakin. Kadiban, how will you stop? You will simply remove one fatha and that will be converted into 2 counts long vowel. Yes. So this is called mad iwad. Kadiba. Ha from your throat. Ra is heavy because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra jun, give the wasl because you are pronouncing tanween. Harajun, how will you stop? You will give sukoon, and jim with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. Haraj. Swad is heavy, so we will make write capital H. Yes. So da, make sure that you make dal light because of heavy letters we tend to make this light letters heavy too, so be very careful. So da, o is heavy. Tone, give the also because this is tanween. Sadaqatun, how will you stop? You will, you always change this circle ta into ha. So the ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Sadaqa, the sound should flow. Sa is short, ha short. Rin, it is light. And give the wasl because you are pronouncing tanween. Saharin. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Saharu. Ra will get sifa. Tawassut. Ain from your throat. Ma, short. Ma, din. Give the wasl because you are pronouncing tanween. And you know that one kasra is kasra and the second kasra is actually noon sakin, but it is written in this kasra form. So make sure you give tawassut on this noon sakin. Amadin. And how will you stop? You will simply give sukoon, and dal with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. So you will make qalqala at the end. Amade. Kha is heavy. You will write capital H. Kha, ba is light. Rin, ra is light here because whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. And it will get tawassut because you are pronouncing this noon sakin hidden here in tanween. Khabarin, how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end and it will get sifa of tawassut. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. Khabaru, and ra will be heavy because before Ra with sukoon, you find fatha or dhamma before it, and then the ra with sukoon will be heavy. Khabaru. Wa is short, ra is short, and but ra over here is heavy. Wa ra kun. For tanween, you are giving sifa of tawassut. How will you stop? You will give sukoon, and qaf will sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. Wa and qaf will be heavy and will get sifa of qalqala. So be very careful to give both things. Make it heavy and give it qalqala. Wa qaf is heavy, so we'll write capital H. La short. Qala, both are short. Mun, give the wasut at time because you are pronouncing this hidden noon in this tanween. Qalamun. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon at the end and meme will get sifa of tawassut. Qalam. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.